Your boss wants to create reports for every employee based on their location. So how can you create this? Well, let's go to ChatGPT. You can see I have a list of employee names with their position and location. I'm going to copy this and go to Excel. Paste the information in the Excel spreadsheet. Then I'm going to take this information and go to an Access database. Let me try to find it. Hold on a second. Here it is. So now we're in Microsoft Access. I'm going to paste the data. I'm going to rename the sheet and call it employee data or employee. So we have our columns in our table. And remember, we need to be able to create reports based on the location of the employee. So I'm going to create a query, drag in the table, select all the columns. Now, at this point, I'm going to use a form that will allow me to select which state each employee works in. So I need a list of all the states. So I'm going to copy the employee data, paste it. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna do it that way. I'm gonna call this state. Go to design view, and I just need the state field. I have a list of all the states. Now I'm going to go back to Excel and remove the duplicates out of here. What? Nope. Copy this. Okay. Let's go to remove the duplicates. Clear this. So now I have a list of all the states. Let's put in ascending order. Okay. Let me go to create a form. So I'm gonna go to form design. And I'm looking for here a combo box. Insert a combo box. I'm gonna call this select the state. Let's change the background color. All right, so I'm gonna go to the properties of the combo box. Right here it says no, looking for a row source. Now let me look. Let me go to the wizard. So combo box. Ah, wizard's turned off. Okay. Data. Here it is. Row source. Choose state. say select the state. All right. So we can select the state here. I need a button. Here's a button. Run query. Now the name of this control is called combo 2. I'm going to change that and call it state combo. All right. And the name of this form, I'm going to call it state form. Now let's go back to the query. Now I'm going to refer to that control in the form. To do that, in brackets, I'm going to say the name of the form, forms, exclamation mark, the name of the form, state form, another exclamation mark, the state combo, which is the control, the combo box of the form. And then I'm going to save this query and call it state query. All right. Now I'm going to run that query through this form. So I got the button selected. I'm going to go to the event tab, go to the on click events, go to code builder, do a do command, open query. Query name is called state query. And we want a normal view. All right. Do command, open query, the name of the query, and the type of view for that query. So I'm going to select the state. Let's say Illinois. I'm going to run the query, and it gives me the employees that work in Illinois. If I choose another state, let's say Arizona, it gives me the employees that work in Arizona. Are there any questions? Now, what I want to do is I want to run a report based on that query. So I'm going to go to create report wizard. I'm going to choose the state query, select all the fields, next. We can sort the list by their name. We want landscape orientation. And the title, we're just going to call it State Report. Finish. All right. So now I need to run that report through the form. So I'm going to go to create or form design. Trying to find the wizard. Okay. Okay, another button. Run report. Select the button. Go to on-click event. Code builder. What was the name of that report? It was called state report. Okay. So we'll do another do command. We'll do an open report. It's called state report and preview. So let's test it. We have Arizona selected. We press run report. I have this spelled incorrectly. State report. So here's our report for Arizona. I'm going to modify the layout of the report so we can see the zip code. All right. Now, this header right here, we can go back to our query, go to design view, and copy out our criteria. Go to report design, go to the text box, insert a text box right here in the report header. Get rid of the label. And in the control source of the text box, I'm going to put in that same criteria that we had for our query. So it should show the name of the state right here. And let me center it, make it bold, increase the font size, put it right here. Save the report. So now let's select another state. Let's say Oregon. We run the report. We have Oregon shown here with the employees that work in Oregon. Are there any questions? I can go over some more scenarios. So we have a state report. So we can do the same thing for position. I can create a query. for the position. I need another form. So I'm going to go to create, form design. See, we need a control. We need a list of all the positions. Go in here. I want to copy this. It's not letting me copy the positions. All right. So I showed you how to run a dynamic report based on the state. You can run the query like this, and you can also run the report. So if there's no questions, I want to thank everyone for joining, and please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and we will see you next time.